If you're experiencing an iPhone update stuck issue, please don't worry. Here are 9 effective ways you can try to fix it. Fix 1. Check network connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for an iOS update. An unstable or disconnected signal can cause the iPhone to get stuck on the update screen. Step 1. Open Settings Wi-Fi. Step 2. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Restart your router or turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Fix 2. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 seconds plus, hold volume down plus power button. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold home plus power button. Fix 3. Delete the update file and download it again. If the update file is corrupted, delete the old file and download it again to fix the iPhone update issue. Step 1. Open Settings General. Step 2. Tap iPhone Storage. Locate the iOS update file, then select Delete Update. Step 3. Go back to Software Update and download the update again. Fix 4. Free up iPhone storage space. Insufficient storage can interrupt the iOS update process. Freeing up space is essential to prevent the update from getting stuck. Step 1. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage, then delete unused apps, large photos or videos, and clear cache files if possible. Step 2. Make sure you have at least 5-10 GB of free space before updating. Fix 5. Check Apple's system status. If Apple's servers are down, your update may get stuck. Check the Apple System Status page for any issues with iOS software. Update and wait for resolution before retrying. Fix 6. Update iPhone via computer. If your iPhone is still stuck on the update screen in iOS 26, updating through a computer is more stable than auto updates. Here is how to update an iPhone using iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes Windows or Find or Mac, then select your device. Step 2. Click Check for Update and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Fix 7. Put the iPhone in recovery mode. You can also fix the iPhone update stuck issue by putting your iPhone into recovery mode. Step 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Follow the steps below to put your iPhone into recovery mode, depending on your model. iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and the side button together until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, press and hold home and the top or side button at the same time until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 3. When iTunes prompts you to update or restore your iPhone, select Update and let iTunes complete the update process. Fix 8. Use iOS System Recovery. iOS System Recovery is a reliable tool to fix iPhone issues like being stuck on the update screen without erasing data. It resolves problems such as frozen devices, black screens, and Apple logo loops. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your Windows or Mac computer. Launch the program and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Then, select iOS System Recovery from the main interface to start the repair process. Step 2. To resolve the issue of the iPhone update being stuck, click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. Please verify your device information and click on the Repair button. This will initiate the downloading of the firmware. Step 4. After the download is complete, the software will proceed to fix your device and restore it to its normal state. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If none of the solutions above resolve your iPhone issue, it's time to contact Apple support for further assistance. You can call, send your iPhone in for service, or visit an Apple store. Provide detailed information for efficient diagnosis and repair.